So does your garage or shop get way too hot in the summertime to be working in, but you still have to get stuff done? Well, I have a solution for that. And that's this industrial floor fan here. This has really helped out a lot. Has 3 different speeds on it. Let me show you some of it up close and just how powerful this thing is. This here is a 20-inch fan. You can see it is in industrial grade right here. I do like the fact that it tilts and you can put it at just the right angle that you want it. Has a nice convenient handle right here on the back. Has 3 different settings on it. You have a low, medium, and high. It does have the ETL certification for this. Stands very firmly on the ground. But it could also be hung up on the wall with the provided brackets that they give you. Just at a low speed, this thing is already kicking out tons of air. All right, you're all familiar with the box fan, this one here on the right versus this industrial fan on the left. About the same size. Let's see if we can see the difference in the speed. They each have 3 levels. Level 1. You can see it's kind of blowing some of the ribbons there. Let's turn this one to level 1. And what a difference. Now let's go to level 2. And then level 3. And of course, this one can tilt to get to just the right angle. This one, not so much. Now, if you prefer to have this mounted up onto the wall, they do give you an anchor and a bracket to do that. So you can either have it on the floor, on a workbench, or you can put it right up on the wall. And as you can see here, very easily mounts up to the wall. Can provide plenty of breeze for your workshop or your garage. So if you're looking for a way to cool off your garage, your workshop, when it is just getting really too hot out there, but you still have to get work done, I would really check out this industrial fan. It really changed everything for me. It makes it so much more comfortable.